When it comes to showers, you really have two different options. This is the traditional curved shower. This is thick, it is chunky, and it will make your bathroom look much smaller. This is a curbless shower base. It is clean, it is modern, it has a hidden drain, and it will make your bathroom look bigger. It is easier to install if you follow this crucial step. Grab yourself a carpenter's square because you have to make sure that your walls are square. How you do that, it's critical. Take the back side of it. We're gonna check our walls first. You're gonna make sure that they're square. That's square. The next one is this whole wall is square. That is good, but you're not done. Grab it and check the corner like this. Now that you're square, we're gonna double check the fit. But wait till you see what happens once the mortar's down. Before we mortar, you guys have to check your drain. You're gonna take your paper gasket, this thing, and your rubber gasket. Don't throw this away. Everyone wants to throw that away. And then this will go next, okay? This is plastic, so make sure you thread it properly. Okay, we're good. And when you have a plumber put that bottom drain in, if you're having a plumber, make sure that they put a level on that drain, please, so that you know everything is nice and level going in on the rough-in plumbing. It makes your finished plumbing easier, right? Now, with your base, you're gonna get a tile flange. You get 3 pieces. I'm actually just installing 2 today. It will make sense. I'm installing 1 piece of tile flange right here on the back side because I have a wall there. Right here, we're gonna need to apply a bead of silicone. Now, it's important to note that because the new shower bases are so thin, you are gonna need a thin bed mortar. That means we can apply it in a thin layer and still get a really good bond and good adhesion between our shower base and our substrate. All right, let's mix this. So that right there is 50 pounds of mortar. What I like to do is take that bucket and empty a bunch of that mortar out onto the concrete floor. Notice here I'm using the flat side of my trowel and I'm spreading it out in a thin, even layer. This is the most important part of the install. Oh yeah, and I've got an issue coming up. So all you're doing here, pushing it into your wood floor or your concrete floor and just smoothing it out. Next, I'm gonna go the opposite way with my trowel, 1/2 inch. Just looking to get nice even lines, there you go. Remove the excess. Don't sweat this stuff. If you don't get it perfect the first time, throw a little bit more mortar on it, push it back. Maybe you didn't put enough down, that's okay. Keep it clear. Okay, we got the paper gasket now and the rubber gasket going on. Got our drain nice and clear, we gotta hit that nice. Okay, moment of truth, guys, let's see what we got. So what I'm doing here, I'm lining up the drain. Now, once you set the base, it is critical to check it with your level in all directions, including diagonally. Okay, so in terms of level, it's looking really good. However, I'm out just a touch in this bottom corner, and as long as you've got a lot of mortar in there, it's not moving. I'm just gonna slide a shim under there right here. So I just took a little composite shim and just put it in the corner there. Needed to come up just a touch in that corner. So we use silicone now instead of plumber's putty. Why not just take your 10 steps and you're gonna screw your drain in? And they're gonna say, but Daru, there's a tool for that, but maybe you don't wanna buy the tool, so you can just do that. See, it does work. Here we go. Gentle, easy does it. There we go. Okay, we're good. Now, if you are planning a bathroom renovation, it is important to know that more homeowners are getting away from anything like a curb where you have to walk over it or step over to get into the shower. Not only does this make your bathroom look smaller, but really the biggest thing for homeowners is the functionality of their bathroom. They simply want to walk in and walk out of their showers now. And you can install this 2 different ways. You can simply drop it in place like that, and you can get a low profile installation. This tile is low profile. This is common and popular because it's easy. Or you can do the curbless installation, which looks great too. Now, the number 1 reason people are doing this, the style and look they like. Number 2 is the price. It's at a good price point. You can get these for under $400, and it really elevates the look of your bathroom with the hidden drain, which is also a big plus. I will link in the description if you guys want to check out the center drain. And this one was around $400, so it was really affordable, which I like. How about you? Now, if you're someone who likes modern upgrades like this and you like to save money, yes, learn how to plumb your own shower valve. I know what you're thinking. Shower valve plumbing, that's hard. It is actually so much easier than you think. Watch this next video and you're gonna see me plumb it, and then you know what you're gonna say? I can do this, and you would be right. You can totally do all of this stuff. I'm Daru, I'll see you in the next one.